everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I have a different kind of unboxing today. This is a package that came from My3Designs from my pal Dan on Etsy. He has an Etsy store. If you look in the description underneath the video, I will put the link to his shop and also the link to his Facebook group. The Facebook group is fantastic. We have a weekly contest. Oops, low battery. Come on, close. We have a weekly contest to design new tray shapes. Now, what Dan is known for are his diamond painting trays that he makes in shapes. This one has 2 sections. I've used it in a couple of my Canvas Conversations videos, and it also has a stopper on one of the sections. Now, this keeps the drills from running out, and it just fits right into the end. Let me show you how it goes in. There's a little tab here, and that goes inside the spout, and then everything else goes outside the spout, so nothing comes out. It's very ingenious. I'm gonna show you what I got from him. Always so exciting, especially when I didn't get a package, I got a box. Okay, so here is the turtle, and this is one of his special colors. You can see it's a sea turtle, and it's in like a metallic kind of green. He has regular colors and he has special colors. And I'm gonna include a green boat in the image so you can see the size difference. Really nice. And I like these ones that have like fins or wings or like the hummingbird's beak, because it kind of stabilizes it so it doesn't tip over. Let's see what else I have. I have a tulip. I love this one. And his spouts are covered so the drills don't go everywhere. He's really great. And if you have a special request. All right, this one is a contest winner. We did an awareness ribbon, and it says inside, it says love, cure, hope. And this one I got in red for stroke awareness, because this is stroke awareness month. And you can get it in any color. That was the cool thing. So if your awareness color is purple, you can get it in purple. And my other one I got is the strawberry. And this one was fun. I got to choose the color of the berry and the color for on top. So of course I chose red and green because that looks like a strawberry. Really cool. Oh my gosh, is that all? Here's some garbage, some padding he used. That's it. Oh, and with the awareness ribbon, oh, the little thing came off. I can fix it. I'll fix it later. Is a little keychain. And the last contest winner before Teddy Bear, which isn't out yet, will be this week, was a puzzle piece because people wanted a stroke sorry, I say the wrong words. Autism awareness. So we did the group voted in a puzzle piece for autism awareness. And the puzzle pieces are cool. You can see them on his Etsy page, or if you join the Facebook group, they interlock. So if you want to put out 5 colors, you can use 5 trays, and they all lock together. So here's the little keychain, and I think he's doing keychains for a lot of them. People are just, people ask him for something specific, and he does it. Like he just did a mermaid out of the blue, which I love. So here's some of my other trays. This was the daisy, and it has a little spot in the middle. You can put your wax, or sometimes a little drill container fits in there. I put my trash in the middle, and then I clean it out when it's done. Here is the Hummingbird, which I love. It's 2-tone, and my colors are pink and gold. So you get to pick the colors. So you could do pink and purple, you could do blue and green, you could do whatever you want. This is my absolute favorite, is my Ladybug. And she has 2 spouts, one on each side, and the middle comes out. So if you need more space, more drills, you can just pull that middle out and use a bigger area. This one is the heart. He also has an extra large. I should be showing the size here. See, you can see. He also has an extra large heart. That's funny. Literally. Dan has a big heart. And he has these butterflies. This was one of the first designs, with the spout on one side. Then he made a spout on both sides. And I heard he's made one, maybe not yet, with the square spout that the stopper fits into. And again, this comes out, the divider, and you get to choose what color tray and what color divider. This one is pink with special gold. And then he has these trays with the corner spout, and it's covered so they don't all come out. The stopper fits. It's interchangeable on anything with the square spout, like this. So I can put this one that was on the other one right on there. So I have a bunch of spouts which I swap around. And that's it. And why do I have so many? Because I plan on giving them away. I do give away diamond paintings quite a bit, and I want people to have a tray also, as well as a pen, a fun pen. So this is my collection. It's way more trays than I will ever want, than I will ever need. I take that back, because I want them, and I want them all. So, and in fact, look at this. I bought 2 of the same thing by mistake. I put it in my cart and then forgot. There's a few days left in May, so if you are going to buy, I think $25 worth is the cutoff, you'll get free shipping. So, and it just happens automatically. So go check out his Etsy shop. Here is his card, My3DDesigns, Dan Weeks. And yeah, he's wonderful. So fun to work with. Love you lots, Dan. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching and watching my addiction here. Go check him out. He's got some great stuff. Take care. Happy diamond painting. Bye-bye.